This is a beautiful HP laptop, DV6 7000 family. Basically it does not boot into Windows and it keeps wanting to do recovery. And what I noticed is the hard drive light is blinking solid, meaning not blinking as it should. So I'm going to show you how to diagnose the problem. This is generally a hardware fault. It could be most likely the hard drive. So what you need to do on HP systems, you turn the computer off and keep tapping escape key to bring up the HP Diagnostics. Dell has similar function, F12 key. Lenovo also has, using the recovery keyhole. ThinkPads have similar option, F12, and Acer I believe does not have. So it depends on the model. So here I'm going to turn the computer off, turn it back on, keep pressing the escape key until I get a boot menu like this, and I'm going to choose the diagnostic utility, and I'm going to run one particular test, and it is the hard drive diagnostics, and do a quick self-test, and let's see what happens. Here we go, short DST test, and this is the one we're interested in. There we go, that failed. So importantly, make a backup of your data and replace the hard drive. I've got another video after this where I actually replace it with an SSD and install Windows 10.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.